Alright guys, welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you 5 free ad platforms you can actually go on to utilizing to promote your CPA marketing offers for absolutely free, even as a beginner. I'm going to walk you through that right there. I'm also going to show you what you can actually do or what you also need to do before going on to promoting the CPA marketing offers on such platforms, so as to ensure that you actually do get targeted traffic to your offers right there and make money online, even utilizing a CPA marketing platform like CPAGRIP right now. So if you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video of today. So we're going to be utilizing the CPA marketing platform right here called CPAGRIP. You could use any other CPA marketing platform for this strategy right now, and this is absolutely going to work. You could register for an account. It is quite easy to do so. Then go on to logging into your account. If you do log into your account, you want to get onto this page right here by coming onto the offer tools section. Click on that right there, select the my offers option. We're brought to a page such as this, and you could filter your offers right now based on country. You could actually do filter your offers based on category, based on status, and you could also go on to search for keywords to some particular kind of offers. You could also come right here and filter your offers based on payout. So actually go on to selecting from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying offers. You can see that there are some cool offers right here that you can go on to selecting right now. If I do select this offer right now, you can actually do see more details about the offer right here that you actually need to go on to insert you actually need to go into promoting this offer to people in the United States that uses an Apple iOS device. All they need to do is to submit their email address or zip code, and utilizing this your unique affiliate link to head onto the platform where they just need to submit their email address and zip code, and you get paid $1.09, and they stand a chance of earning $2 or $2,500 right there. So that's actually a very cool offer that you can promote right now. All you need to do is to copy the link to the offer, and you actually want to head on to the next strategy or next step right here, which is to actually get on to creating a simple landing page. You can create a landing page using breezy.io, using systemy.io, using Webflow, using the Google site, using many other platforms right there like the Linktree, the bio.link, the Warrior Plus, the Get Response, and they are quite numerous right there. I have a lot of videos that actually shows you how to create landing pages on each and every one of these websites I just mentioned. To gain access to such videos, you want to just simply come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in a landing page, click on enter right now, and you can actually go on to seeing some of the videos right here. This one shows you how to create a landing page that could actually go on to paying you up to $500 a day. This one shows you how to create a landing page with systemy.io. This is also with systemy.io. This is with Google site. This is actually with the breezy.io. This is with Webflow right now. This is actually with Google site also. And you can see that there are some cool videos right there. So all you need to do is to watch the videos, learn how to create a cool landing page, and create that. Link that landing page to your CPA marketing offer before you then go on to promoting that on the free ad platform. Now the free ad platform we are going to be utilizing right now is the first platform right here, is none other than the obackpage.com. As you can see right now, this is a platform that you can use to promote CPA marketing offers to locations in the United States, Canada, Europe. If you do keep on scrolling down, you'll be able to see other locations like Australia and Oceania. You can see the Latin America and Caribbean. You can also go on to seeing the Africa right now. These are locations where you can promote your offers to right here. You could also go on to clicking on the post ad at the top right corner of the screen. If you do click on post ad right there, you might actually need to go on to signing up with your email address. Once you do sign up with your email address, you'll be able to see a post ad option right there. Click on that post ad option, and that is going to bring you to this page right now, where you could actually do click on post ad for free or post free ad. Select the location in the United States. Maybe I want to promote this to a state which is California. I can actually do select a city in California right now, because the free ad option actually enables us to promote our CPA marketing offers to one city at a time. That's why we can actually do this right here. So you want to select the category of the offer and select a subcategory right now, where you could just simply go on to providing more details about the offer, such as the title, the description, and make sure the link to your CPA marketing offer is in the description right here. So once you do insert something that is actually catchy and something title and description that is actually eye-catchy and attention grabbing right there, you can actually do insert something like that and go on to inserting or filling out other details right here before then going on to agreeing to the terms of service and complete the captcha right now, then post your ad for free by clicking on continue. So that's how cool this actually works. You could check out the second platform called the classifiedads.com. This is absolutely an amazing platform where you could just simply come right here, click on post an ad for free. And if you do go on to clicking on post an ad for free, you want to select the category of the ad right here. Maybe if I want to select item for sale, you can actually do select a subcategory of the ad. I'm just going to select something at random right here. Maybe I do select something like collectibles. You want to select the location which you want to promote the ad to. Maybe if I want to promote this to California in the United States, I'm just going to type this right now. Or I can actually do go on to selecting another city right now. Maybe I want to select Chicago, Charlotte, Cincinnati, Colorado, or maybe I'm just going to select Chicago right now. You can actually do go on to inserting title, asking price, description, just like how we did in the previous platforms right here, and fill out all these other details to post your ad for free. You could check out the third platform called the class.org. This is also an amazing platform right now where you could post ad on any of this category right now. You can actually go on to checking out your listing, your messages, or your account right here. But to post an ad for free, click on post ad right here. You can actually sign up to the platform right now. In some cases, you may actually be required to go on to completing a simple captcha right there to actually verify that you are a human right now. So once you complete that, you'll be brought to this page. Fill out these details right here, such as the title, the description. You could add pictures, select the location which you want to drive traffic to, and you can actually do check out these optional stuff right here. Maybe the editing price, edit category, and edit expiry date. You can actually do go on to posting your ad for free by clicking on continue. So this is actually the third platform. The fourth platform right here is called the Freeadnet, where you just need to come right here, click on post a free ad. If you do come right here, click on post a free ad right now, it's going to load up and take you to a page where you just need to provide the basic details right here, like category of the offer right now. Maybe if I do select one, I'm going to select the subcategory. If you do select something right there, maybe I'm just going to select at random. You could choose a group right now. So if I do select a group, I could actually fix in a title, a description, fix in an email address. There's this code right here that you can see. You want to just simply retype that in this section. Here you actually have an option for you pasting the link to your CPA marketing offer. You can actually do go on to inserting a YouTube video link if you do have one. You can actually do go on to selecting the country which you want to promote your offer to. Since I'm actually promoting offer to the United States, I'm going to select the United States. You can actually target all states and all cities by not selecting any one, but you can go on to selecting the targeted states if you want to. I'm going to leave it on all states and all cities. You can add in photos right now. Once you are done, post your ad for free. So the last but not the least platform right here is called the freeadforum.com. It's also a free ad website where you can just simply click on publish your ad for free and go on to follow the necessary procedures to post an ad on this platform. So basically guys, these are actually 5 good free ad platforms to utilize even as a beginner to get traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And if the video did add some value, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.